Ever wonder what really lies deep in the heart of Texas? Are these farm implements really used for agriculture? Or do they serve another purpose? A deep, dark purpose. Three words: Texas Chainsaw Massacre. What secrets lie in these small towns? Ever been told to never cross the railroad tracks? What once was a bustling town? Nearly empty. Why, might you ask? There's no one left to ask. If the first set of tracks weren't enough, we're crossing another set. Some say every horse story has some truth to it. Texas Chainsaw Massacre is no exception. The true story is much darker. This tech town was once thriving too, but not anymore. I wonder if Leatherface shopped here. And just off the highway, Leatherface's house. And if the house didn't creep you out, we're gonna take you to the slaughterhouse. The slaughterhouse is a real meat market. The Taylor Meat Company still operates there. Stop by if you dare. The speed limit getting out of there was 80 miles an hour. We had every bit of it.